Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make crochet heart today. On here I'm taking a 3.5 mm hook. You can choose according to your yarn size, and using a 3-ply cotton yarn, you can choose according to your wish. Let's make a magic ring first. Then make 3 chains. This will count as one crochet. Now make 3 triple crochet. So total we will get 4 triple crochet with those 3 chains. Now make 3 double crochet, 3 DCs or 3 double crochet. Now make 1 chain and then 1 triple crochet. And then 1 chain. So it will create our base. Now again make 3 double crochet. Now make 4 triple crochet again. Now make 1 chain and then slip stitch into our magic ring. Now tighten the magic ring. Cut the yarn and tie a knot. Cut the remaining yarn and we will have our beautiful heart. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you.